Ladies and gentlemen, in this video guide I will tell you about the extension called AD&POP Block. Currently this particular extension targets Google Chrome browsers and other browsers based on the Chromium project. But the point is that this extension AD&POP Block is not decent. Its developers promise that by installing the extension you will be able to block ads and advertising pop-ups from thousands of sources. But the point is that the extension, once installed, it starts displaying its own ads while you surf the web. So it's actually an ad replacer extension. You need to be very careful to realize that this extension is also spread through bundling with some free applications. So often people install it unintentionally. It's one of the reasons why it's also called a potentially unwanted app. So you need to get rid of it as soon as possible, considering the fact that the majority of extensions like that may also spy on the user's browsing activities. For instance, they may read your browsing history, collect your personal data, and even transfer this private information to third parties. So if you want to get rid of AD&POP Block extension manually, follow my solution. Go to the menu of your browser, click on More Tools and click on Extensions. You'll find this AD&POP Block extension, deactivate and remove it. After this has been done, I also recommend that you perform additional checkup of your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. After the software is successfully downloaded, wait until it updates the antivirus database. Then click on Start Combo Scan button in order to initiate the free research of your Mac computer. And at the end of scan, you will see the complete story of what is going on with your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. At the end of the scan, you will see the detailed report about your Mac computer. You may go to the antivirus section and then click on Review Results. So this will show you the detailed report about all threads that were found during the scan. You may go to the specific thread and its location by clicking on this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its location in Finder, and you may right-click on it and move each single thread to the trash, one single thread at a time manually. Or you may, of course, consider purchasing the premium version, the full version of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, to get rid of all these threads automatically.